Hi friends, welcome to MSR WebTech. To get this future updates of this channel, just like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Today's topic will be how to create new web page using HTML. For this, we require a sample text document. I just named that as sample web dot, and you can save that with extension of HTML. Now yes, right click, open with notepad, and we write each and everything in this HTML language. I will tell you the basics in this video itself, and from the future videos I will not tell you the basics anymore. For each and every thing in this, we are defining in this with the help of the text. For this, each and everything we have one opening tag and one closing tag. Next, HTML tag is mandatory for each and every web page. And next, we have another important tag which is known as header tag. Header tag is used to define so many tags known as title tag. Title tag, you can title the web page. For example, my title is sample web. It will be displayed in tab of the browser. Next thing, body tag. Each and every content in the web page will be residing under this body tag. Today I am going to explain you about h1 tag, 2 h6 tags, h6 and p tag, q tag, b tag and sub and superscript tags. Let's get started. For this I am taking the sample text as MSR web tag before applying. After applying h1 tag, we will get output MSR web tag after applying h1 tag. Let's save this file and go to the folder where you save this and double click on this. Yes, MSR website after applying h1 will get h1 tag effect, and before applying it is a sample web page. Next, similar way I will show you from h1 to h6 you can write those coding like this. I will provide you the coding in the description box. Just save this and refresh this website. Yes, you will get the effects from h1 to h6 with h1 is larger size and h6 is smaller size. And next we can give p tag. What is the use of p tag? P tag is defining for paragraph, for the purpose of the paragraph. For typing purpose it takes too much amount of time. I don't want to waste anybody's time, so that why I am copying and pasting this code which was developed by me itself. Paragraph tag, you can see an u tag. U tag is for defining underlines. I will show you one by one. Yes. sample of, yes, it is getting underline a bit. Next thing is bolder tag. B tag means bold, the text will get bolder if you apply bit. Yes, MSRF tag getting bold. Next tag will be sub tag. Super means if you want to get a power x, b power x and 2 power x like that, you will get that by using super tag. Yes, you are getting 2 power x. Next, for getting the suffix things, you are using subscript. Save and refresh. Yes, it is a suffix or subscript x. I will explain you. I will explain you too much amount of things uh, uh, with the help of the code. I will provide you the code within from the description box. You can just copy and paste this. Generally h1 to h6 tags are used for defining the heading purpose only, and this is for if for example you want to get a square plus b square equal to a plus b square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, you use superscript. Similar way you can use this, whereas it is useful. Next thing will be, I will show you the code. Yes, the thing which was explained by me is here. I will give you it in the description box, and you simply click paste this copy, just copy this code and save as .html extension and get it executed by the browser. Or otherwise, if you want to execute, just click execute button, you will get the effect. Just execute button. Similarly for up to the superscript also. Yes, it is MSRF tag. After applying subscript, after applying superscript. I am sharing this link also. Please support us, friends. We are not a big team, we are very small team. Please support us. We will make too many videos for your kindness. Thank you very much.